Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Noalia Maisara binti Hafizul. I'm from 8120A. My student ID 2025894698.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Baliki Sabiha binti Muhammad Shahrizan. My matric number is 2025291936. I'm from class 81202A.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ain Shazza binti Samusin. I'm from 81202A. My student ID is 2025801034. Today, I will present about e-cutter technology in oil pump. In this presentation, we will present about the introduction, the current issue, the solution of the current issue, and the project layout. In the project layout, we will present about the machine, the objective, and how the machine works. Other than that, it also have the advantages and the costing about e-cutter. And finally is the conclusion of the e-cutter technology harvesting in oil pump. So next, we move to the introduction of the e-cutter technology. The e-cutter is an innovation electric power harvesting tool designed to improve the efficiency of oil pump harvesting. It uses a motor cutting machine to harvest fresh fruit bunch and also burning oil palm frond more quickly and effectively than traditional manual tools. The e-cutter help reduce worker physical effort, increase harvesting productivity, and also improve the overall quality of harvesting activity. The adaptation of technology like the e-cutter play an important role in promoting sustainable and efficient implanting management, like oil palm harvesting.
Current issue in oil pump harvesting. The first is high physical workloads. Its requirement significant physical effort, especially for tall tree. Second, low harvesting efficiency. Manual harvesting methods are time-consuming and less productive. Third, increased oil palm tree height. Harvesting become more difficult and challenging. 4. Labor shortage. The oil palm industry faces a shortage of a skilled harvester. 5. Risk of occupation injury can cause a back, shoulder, and arm injury. Many solutions for oil palm in harvesting. The first is overcoming labor shortage. E-cutter increase the productivity of each worker. Few workers are needed to harvest the same area. Second, reducing physical workload. The motorized cutting system reduces the force required for harvesting. Workers experience less fatigue and more strain. Third, improve harvesting efficiency. E-cutting can more fast and more tree can be harvested within a shorter time. 4. Harvesting tall oil palm tree. The workers can more safety when harvesting the tall tree. Next solution for harvesting is reducing labor costs. Higher worker productivity lowers the overall labor requirement and operational costs. Lastly, enhancing worker safety. Better control during harvesting improve workplace safety.
Next, we move to the project layout. What is an e-cutter? An e-cutter is an electric power harvesting tool used in oil palm plantation to cut fresh fruit bunch and fruit palm frond. It is designed with a motorized cutting system attached to a long pole that allows workers to harvest high palm oil. The e-cutter had reduced physical effort, increased harvesting speed, and improved overall productivity compared to traditional manual. Three objectives of the e-cutter. Firstly, to improve the efficiency of oil palm harvesting operation. Next, to increase the productivity oil palm harvesting. Lastly, to reduce the physical workload of plantation workers. How the e-cutter works? The e-cutter works using a rechargeable battery that powers an electric motor connects to a cutting blade. When the tool is switched on, the motor activates the blade, allow it to cut fresh fruit mash and oil palm frond efficiently. The e-cutter is usually attached to a long pole so that work can reach tall oil palm trees without need to climb. The operator control the tools using a handle or trigger system to ensure safe and accurate cutting. After use, the battery can be recharged for future harvesting activity. Advantage of e-cutter: increase overall productivity in oil palm plantation. Next, provide more accurate and consistent cutting result. Then, reduce long-term operational effort in harvesting activity. Lastly, makes harvesting easy and more manageable for workers. Costing for e-cutter machine. E-cutter machine price usually around 2,000 until 5,000 per unit. Depends on brand, power and specification. Second, battery cost is around 300 until 5,000 per battery. Third, charger unit is 100 until 300. For maintenance cost is about 100 until 500 per year. For example, blade, motor service and minor repair. For spare part like blade and motor, 15 until 300 depends on damage. For training cost, usually 100 until 500 per works. Lastly,